Okay, Ruby, are you ready? You have to find them now, okay? You have to wait until I turn them over. Wait until I turn them over. Good boy, Oscar. Good boy. Oh, good girl, Ruby. That was really quick. Good boy, Oscar. Good boy, Max. What about the other ones, Ruby? What do you think? Are there any other ones? Good girl. Go on. You can do it. Good girl. Very good. Go on. Good girl. Did you get it out without turning it over? That was a bit sneaky. Ruby, that's an amazing technique. Good girl. Well done. What do you think about this last one? What do you think about that one? Go on, good girl. Well done. Kind of cheated, but I